Hey guys, Tech Made Easy, and in this video I am going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be doing a demo, and I'm going to be using this for a couple of days to a week, and then I'm going to post my video. And I will tell you, if you drink coffee and you have an older Keurig, you're probably going to want this one, so stay tuned and I'll tell you why. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and unbox this. I just got it today. Let me zoom out as much as possible. And I'm very excited because I got to be honest with you. I've been using the cafe. If you know this machine here, you can make cappuccino, you can make coffee. But I have to tell you, I'm pretty disappointed in it. And the reason why is, it just seems like I can't get strong coffee. So let's look at what's in the Supreme. Now let me tell you, there is a Plus model. And I will include specs on the Plus model and what you get and all. But this specific model actually is an exclusive model that actually comes with some extras. They give you coffee, they're giving me a K-cup, and they're also giving me the water filter and the handle, as you see here. So here's the booklet, okay? Here is the filter, which I'll tell you, the carbon filter really helps clear out that water as well, which really helps coffee. Here's a filter they're giving me, and I do have more of these. And this actually goes in here on the bottom, okay? So let's just take this guy out, see what it looks like, and go from there. All right, what do we got here? All right, so this is some coffee. Now again, depending on what model you get, you might not get the coffee that I'm getting, all right? But this has got hot cocoa and a whole bunch of other stuff. And so let me put this aside. Let's pull out the machine itself, because I'm pretty sure that is why you're watching this video. You want to see what it looks like and you want to hear more. Again, this came with a K-cup as well. Now I use the K-cups, from the store. What is it called? Donut Shop. That's probably the one I love, the Donut Shop blend. So let me go ahead and take this off so you can check it out. That's a true unboxing, huh? True unboxing. So there it is, guys. That's the machine there. That's what it looks like. The reservoir is here. And, so it's got a big reservoir there. Let me just say to you, one of the reasons how they actually get the coffee to taste better is the multi-stream technology, okay? And what that is if you open this up, I want you to see, and I'm going to brighten that up a little bit so you can see it, all right? Give me a second and we'll brighten this up. So there are 5 sharp these sharp pieces here will punch, instead of 1 hole in the K-cup, it'll actually punch 5. And what that does is it evenly distributes the water through the coffee to actually give you a more robust tasting coffee. Plus this model here allows you to also make your coffee even stronger. As you can see here, that only has 1, like most Keurigs. So as you can see here, there's only 1. And on this one here, it actually has 5. So I'm going to set this up. I'm going to make some coffee. All right. I wonder if the base comes out. Okay, so this base does come out, I believe. We'll have to figure that out, because I like putting a larger cup of coffee in there. Let me turn a little light on too. Again, there goes the 5. You see that, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See this one? 1. Okay. So big difference, all right? I wanted to give you some extra light so you can really look at this guy, all right? So I will be back. I'm going to set this up. I'm going to make some coffee. We're going to see how it is, and, I'm going to test it for a couple of days, but let me make a cup and let me show you how it is. All right, guys, so I want to get a little more into multi-stream technology. The big difference here from older models that don't have multi-stream technology is the K-Supreme or the K-Supreme Plus. Basically are both equipped with the new breakthrough multi-stream technology, which uses multiple streams of water to saturate the grounds more evenly throughout the pod and extract the full flavor and aroma of the coffee. I did notice a difference, so you'll see at the end of the video. All right, guys, so let's get into a good comparison here. So the Plus is $189. The regular Supreme is $139. The Plus offers a 4-ounce cup of coffee. Now that also could be used for iced coffee. The Plus has temperature control. It offers 3 programmable favorites, and that means that I might have stronger coffee myself and I'm on setting number 1. I might have my wife on setting number 2 and not so strong, and maybe my daughter on the lowest setting, maybe because she doesn't want real strong coffee. They both have ice settings if you're going to do iced coffee. They both will fit a travel mug, although a not real big one. I tested that. The water reservoir on the Plus is 78 ounces. On the regular Supreme, it's 66 ounces. The Plus doesn't have an auto-on feature, but the Supreme does, which I found weird. They both have high altitude settings, and they both have an adjustable water tank, which you can either move to the left side or you can move to the back. By the way, if you're interested in any of these 2 coffee makers, we'll make sure to put some links in the description. So guys, I want to show you, you can have the reservoir right here on the back, on the side, or you can actually have the reservoir on the back. Let me show you. Check that out. It is no longer on the side. So it really depends on where you're positioning this, by the way. But as you can see, you can have it on the side. Now let me show you how that's done. Okay, check this out. All right, guys, check that out, huh? So basically, if you want to move this from the side to the back, all you need to do is go ahead and remove the reservoir. Just wiggle that. Okay. Now, you want to make sure that you're doing this with nothing inside, no water, no coffee, right? You want to turn this upside down. Okay. And let me get you a different view so you can see a little bit better, okay? So what they do is they tell you to remove A. Okay, so all you do is take this and you pull it out. Comes right out. Okay, put it aside. You take this piece, you lift it up, you just wiggle it. Okay, just wiggle it. Now, take the cord, okay, pull it up for a second. All right, put this in place, push it in, take your cord and go there. And now you're locked in place and you have your reservoir right in the back. Take your reservoir, put it there, and put it where you want. Maybe you don't have enough counter space. Maybe you want it that way. Is that cool or what? All right, guys, so here's where my machine will live. And I like the reservoir on the left side, to be honest with you. Now, this machine can fit a large cup. Okay, so no problem there. This machine can fit even my Mickey Mouse cup that a friend bought me a long time ago. Now, if you're going to want a, take a mug with you for on the road, all you're going to do is pull this guy out. Okay, down here, just pull this out. Take your cup, slide it in place. Make sure it's aligned and you're all set. All right, that's it. Now I'm going to make some coffee and we'll do it together. And then I'm going to use it for a couple of days and tell you what I really think. Is there a difference? By the way, this is my favorite coffee. I swear it's strong enough, it really is. The original donut shop coffee is amazing. And if you want to try it out, I will put a link in the description. Not up top, sorry, in the description. So you'll have to click down there, but worth it. Oh my God, stuff is good. Okay, so I did put water in, all right, so it's full up to here. I put filtered water into the coffee, into there. I also have the filter stick in there with the carbon filter, so that's good. And let's take a look at the menu real quick. So you do have strong, you have over ice, so if you do that, it doesn't add as much coffee. You have a 6 ounce, 8 ounce, 10 ounce, and a 12 ounce, okay? It also tells you when you need to descale. That's actually pretty cool. And then obviously when you're running out of water. So let's open this up. I'm going to put a fresh donut shop coffee in here. Again, don't forget, we've got those 5. It's going to shoot. These 5 teeth are going to pretty much puncture all parts here. And I'm going to get a better cup of coffee. That's what they say. So close it. My coffee mug is there. It's ready. I'm going to do an 8 ounce. I'm going to make it strong. So I'm going to hit strong. I'm going to do an 8 ounce. And I'm going to hit decay. Now this thing supposedly warms up a lot quicker too. I did just set this up, so I didn't let it sit around. So I'm very interested in seeing how fast this dispenses coffee as well, because supposedly it is like 30 seconds quicker. And I got to tell you, that's actually, it's already dispensing coffee. Oh, I could smell it. Oh, God. Look, I don't drink a lot of coffee, but I definitely have to have a good cup of coffee in the morning. Oh, man. That stuff is good stuff. All right. Oh my God, aren't you excited? I wish you could smell it. You know what? Scratch the screen. You ever hear of scratch and sniff? Scratch the screen for a second. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But, that, some lemon cake. You ever pick up some lemon cake? Oh my God, sliced loafed lemon cake. Once in a while, just a nice cup of coffee and a piece of lemon cake. Now, I have a friend that makes a lemon bundt cake for me on my birthday. Oh, wow, I love them. Oh, that couple. All right, it's almost done. So, guys, it's, I'm going to wait until it finishes. I'll pull it out. You'll take a good look at the cup. And then, like I said, I'm going to use it for a couple of days, and I'll finalize the review. Oh boy, look at that. You see how dark that is? I put it on strong and I did an 8 ounce. Oh man. Well, guys, let's see what happens, okay? Thank you. I'll be back. All right, guys. So after about 8 days of having coffee, this is what it does, just so you'll know. See the 5 holes? The coffee did taste good. A little better than normal, and strength-wise, it seemed a little stronger. But, that's all I could say. I want to be honest with you, and I'm not going to over-talk this machine. I mean, it's nice that they are innovating the coffee maker to make sure it makes the right cups of coffee. But, yeah, so that's the one that I like. And I have to say, it's a nice machine. And maybe I'll make a long-term review. I hope this helps. Guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up, all right? That would really help Brooklyn and I. Look at her wagging her tail. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel, join our family, and hey, don't forget to press the bell so you get notified of new videos. Take a moment and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. You can also send us messages there as well. Thank you so much for watching our video. We really appreciate it. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and thank you.